Hey, it's Lou Bortone from loubortone.com and from my YouTube channel. I wanted to give you a quick overview and some insights into some videos that have been racking up a lot of views lately. So I have these videos sorted by most popular or most viewed, and you can see here, ironically, or not so ironically, that 3 of my top 5 videos are these Trump song parodies. So once we realized that these were a thing, we made a few of them, and they have racked up over 500,000 views combined. This one was actually uploaded as a live stream, so I don't have all the analytics on that one. But this recent one from just a few weeks ago, if we look at that and look at the analytics, this has over 200,000 views in 3 weeks. And it's interesting to go into the analytics and take a look, aside from the fact that it's earned us a whopping $150. It will show you the amount of views and the performance over time, so you can see the pretty steady growth, which is interesting because sometimes videos come out really high at the top and then go down. This one has been growing steadily, and it's also garnered me another 454 subscribers, which is nice. This is the watch time. I'll show you the watch time here. Here are subscriber growth. Here's the revenue. But up top here, you can see all the different kinds of analytics that you can see. So if you look at reach, this will tell you the amount of impressions, the click-through rate, the views, etc. And again, you can do it over the course of any particular day and see the video's growth. Which is interesting, because really the first couple of days it didn't do too much, but then it really started to take off. And you can also see here, which is really important as far as research goes, of traffic sources. So here we can see that 75% of the views came from browse features in YouTube. Now, what is browse feature? Browse features are essentially traffic from within YouTube. Traffic from the home screen, subscription feed, watch later, and other browsing features. So basically, folks who are already on YouTube were seeing this video. They weren't necessarily going and looking for this particular video. They were finding it from other videos within YouTube. You can also get traffic from external sources like websites and apps that have YouTube video embedded, or traffic from the direct URL entry, things like that. But the main thing to notice here is that most of the traffic for this particular video came from within YouTube. That was the vast majority of the traffic. They'll also give you some other information here in terms of what proportion of the traffic came from what keywords. So keywords are really, really important. And then again, Trump song, 6.3%, Trump parody, 5.5%. The other interesting thing you can see here is that the proportion of traffic that comes from suggested videos. So when this person's video ended, it suggested my video, and that accounted for about 16% of the views here. And this one, he's a moron, that's one of my videos, so that's cool. This one, worst president ever, is also my video, so some of the traffic's coming from my other videos. Just a lot of stuff in here to kind of really dig into the analytics. This is the engagement, audience retention, average view duration is 1:26, and then the audience, which is also interesting because it gives you demographics. So they were not previous subscribers to my channel, 99%. It's a 70-30 split male to female. I guess that makes sense. It's a goofy song parody. And again, most of the viewers were over 45. In fact, most of them were over 65. So I don't know. I think that says more about Trump than about the song parody itself, or the fact that we used a Beatles song, which is 50 years old, in the video itself, and most of the views came from the United States, so maybe not all that surprising. So those are a look at some of the statistics and analytics from this particular parody video the Trump song parody, over 200,000 views. And again, going back here, you can see this one has 337,000 views. That one's, we uploaded that during the summer a little while ago. This one, 200,000, and this one from just a couple weeks ago, One Tripper, Worst President Ever, 54,000 views. So yeah, it's really about content and finding the right content, and your viewers will find you if you make content that they want. So that's it for now. More insights later. In the meantime, subscribe to my channel on YouTube or go to bortone.com and visit us there. Thanks. Bye for now.